If you dey look me koro or you dey hear me whine, I be say you tanda gidigba on top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of Go TV cable nationwide. That is to say, anywhere where you dey for inside Obodo Nigeria, you fit watch us. For those of us when they outside the shores of Nigeria, but the passion for this country, they make our body, they do us win. You go on top of www.wazobiatv.tv/live and you go dey watch us live and direct. This na the Ogbonge Politics Discussion Show. As it is hot, we dey tell you every weekday from 10 to 11 don't turn Christmas sake of say all the action to do when they come out smoke inside Nigeria political boxing ring. We dey carry them, drop them down, talk them the way anything be, give you license to talk them the way anything be for body so that those when they lead us go do the necessary thing to move this our country forward. My name na Ezo Gochokwode. And as usual, I know they're alone inside studio. I deal with my brother when Sabi well as they concern the political matter as it is hot.
Yes, a beautiful Thursday morning to our wonderful viewers who they watch us right now. Don't carry us the hot. Come again. That program with the information of different political activities where they happen for Obodo Nigeria. Well, today matter, yes, we know say we don't hear within the players. We don't hear the major news where they spread around our country, and we'll also do it in our responsibility to also dwell on them. Also talk about them. We get one of Bonga guests for us who go also do it. We be saying instead get experience when it comes to information and we relate them to our country Nigeria. Instead go do it. Instead go contribute. Give us your own idea about the whole matter. We go open our phone line when that time reach. So our viewers go feel do it to go feel contribute because the matter somehow it already the level where we say we need to come out and do it in demand for our rights. My name never see change. My name now Kubi. And this now as it is hot.
Our Ogbonge visitor like Nkubi talk na person when we say sabi well as it get to do with issues when they affect Obodo Nigeria, that is national issues. I go call a man of many parts, a man of enchanting physiognomy, that is he be only a journalist, only a public affairs analyst, only a cinematographer, only a scriptwriter. So many, if he all in title. If to say no get strong shoulder, in back for them bend. And they talk of no other than Oga Victor Ohai. Oga Victor Ohai, welcome to As It Is Hot.
Thank you.
Oga Victor, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Oga Victor, we get one particular tradition when they do on top of As It Is Hot. Even though we know say the matter, they always the hot. They like shake hand before we start, so that when we continue, you know, go be like say with the quarrel on top of
no,
the discussion.
No, chop. Make
we just go straight into our discussion for today. People when they go church well, or those when they go mosque, then always they pray say from glory to glory. And glory to glory for their prayer and I say make level change, make condition better. But if we can't bring them down to as it be for Obodo Nigeria, based on current affairs and what is happening inside Obodo Nigeria, the glory to glory and level when not change now, don't affect the price of petrol inside Obodo Nigeria. As yesterday, after one meeting, when top men for inside government do, when everybody they involved, that is the legislature, the executive, even organized labor, they can come out, come talk, say, right about now, the liter of fuel for Nigeria go to sell at the highest 145 naira. Plenty Nigerians come and talk say, una they come and they tell us say now na the time to deregulate, say the time not dey perfect. But the condition of Nigerians na condition when we say the thing hard where our crayfish don't bend. People don't do operation since, but the back of this crayfish, the thing no gree straight. People ask for palliatives. So, okay, what the government don't pull down to use ensure say, person when we say for example, minimum wage na 18,000 naira, I need a deep hand inside in pocket with tears for your eyes to buy oil inside this Obodo Nigeria. Go constantly deep hand inside that pocket to buy them higher and the money no increase. Our Ogbonge visitor go follow shook man for inside this matter. Make we discuss all this matter from A go reach Z. Oga Victor Ohai, once again, welcome to As It Is Hot.
Thank you very much.
As he said, the way when you sit down, they hold your body. The way when you sit down, you know, just be like say maybe because rain fall today. It be like say something they pain you enter inside your body. But make I just drop this question like this, make it start for the issue when they go. Now, government don't come out, come talk say officially now the pump price go pass 145 naira. But make we go down memory lane. For inside this our same country, the former president Goodluck Ebele Jonathan at some point in being announced say okay, we don't check this thing, this subsidy we won't come out. That time when we say a barrel they even sell at above $100, they talk say okay, it go be around 147 naira. I won't ask government of change as against government of transformation. 145 as against 147 when plenty people fight against occupy Nigeria against. I wan ask say
141 that
141. I wan ask wetin be the difference between wetin we dey do now and wetin President before President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan wan do that year for 2012. The thing reach to do
my brother. As my people would say, my people. You get what you talk, say, people they talk about, say, church will say from glory to glory. Make I repair that thing for proper English, say from glory to glory. From glory to glory. If you remove that L,
Now glory.
glory. That
Very
means
bad.
war, njo. Or how they will talk for Yoruba.
nyama nyama Oliver nyama nyama.
Okay, we say nyama nyama. From glory to glory. Now we did now. Now the headline be that. From glory to glory. You see, you get one prayer where me I don't learn to pray these days. You get what they call perception. Excuse me, make I just take example from Bible small, I beg, no vex.
You know, feel free.
Jesus know who he be. And disciples know who he be. But he also say, who do men say that I am? You know the importance of that thing. Now make say, no, waiting people talk, say I be. That is very important. You feel be angel. But if people think say you be devil, you don't thought devil be that. On the other hand, you feel be devil. But if people, think say you be angel, everyone go believe say you be angel. Now the one chance boss who don't enter be that. So my prayer in recent times is say, God, when time reach, maybe I dey find something or whatever, make I find favor. The kind of favor where this government, where they put so far ahead for our body, yet nobody see anything wrong. I don't know the kind juju where people chop, whether na the broom where they wave, now cover people eye, they not see road, confuse everybody. So they go slap you like, slap me more, slap me more. You don't see that. I never see that kind of my life before.
What if now say, okay, maybe you trust the government to do wetin the government don't talk say then go do? Because I
not follow you argue. People will trust them. I not trust them. I know they hide my own.
Okay.
So I get clear conscience. So that's why people they cry, but they sleep well at night. People will trust them. Many people vote for them. That time they say they go turn fuel to 45 naira per liter. You hear Abi, you not hear Abi.
Before they see the damage.
Wait. Promise
Like
when they talk.
speculation, we just
They not tell kind of speculation that time. They talk say we they pay too much. Say they go turn fuel to 45 naira per liter. They tell us say, in fact now, Oga Patapata tell us say dollar go be 1 naira to $1. They tell us say they feed children every day for school. They give them free lunch. They tell us say they're going to give poor people 5,000. My brother, some people trust them. They decide to vote for them. Now, instead where they go turn the thing to change it to 40, bring it down to 45 naira. At that time where they talk before, international oil price they over $100, which means the cost of producing oil they about almost 3 or 4 times the current price. And how much they say on that at 97 naira per liter. Now where the price don't reduce by about 4 times. Now they can't jack up the price again by almost 2 times. There is God.
Okay, Victor. No, verse. May I actually bring her from this angle?
You don't answer a question.
Okay, finish up.
So, now, the one way we did now, where they surprise me, we say, instead of bringing it to 45 naira, they can't increase 100 naira on top, turn it to 145. This thing will happen so. Every kind of excuse, they don't talk, say, now, when Jonathan want to do the same thing, I go mention name here because this is the public domain. The governors that time they agree with them, including Fashola, will be governor of Lagos State. All of them agree say make them subsidize. When time reach, they go for back, go mobilize people, go Ojota, begin fight Oga Jonathan that time. We no go agree and all that. Now these same people for Lagos here, now they provide food for people for Ojota, they feed them. They feed the protests and the whether a riot or protest, I go call them.
Protesters, yeah.
That same way they disagree that time. Today now the same, whether now, what did they call poison that time? Now the same poison and they feed us with now. Now the same way endure say now it day in our.
But Oga Victor, no vex so make I carry and come from this direction. Now, this action in itself, make we leave every other thing. People protest, people don't. This action in itself, judging by what they don't talk about you agree say na the right thing or na the wrong thing. I understand where you dey come from. Say okay.
You know, I go answer you. Leave that matter. You see, if you say you dey subsidize when the thing dey $100, now when the thing don't crash to 30 something, I don't understand what you dey subsidize. I don't know whether you understand. What
I get you.
Now simple arithmetic with the talk. The thing been there $100. That time you say fuel na 97. That I say now they add 12 naira on top. Now internationally, the price don't crash to 30 something dollars. Not be say fuel itself go crash down to about either 30 something naira or 20 something naira, or even for something naira if it took us. Is that not so?
That's so.
Subsidy suppose don't disappear. So I don't understand how where you dey buy am from, price don't crash from 100 and something to 30 something. And you see they tell us say you don't now they remove subsidy when the thing supposed to become almost free. Now they remove subsidy and you call the jack up price. Here waiting labor talk. All this one we subsidize, waiting be the real price. Tell us. Make we know how much way they buy the thing. Who they go just they talk. We don't follow you. I bring the thing, make we see them. Nobody agree show. The one way we know, we say price don't crash. Where would they go buy something before for 100 naira? Now at something naira.
True. But
okay. How come the two way would they buy 100 naira before would they buy at something naira now? You can't tell me now, say it can't cost pass. I don't understand.
But Oga Victor, may I bring up from this angle? We understand, say yes, internationally the price of fuel the price of oil don't drop.
Yes.
But also may we bring them internally within our own home. We understand, say normally we they depend fully on what would they make from oil. I've been so from that is once who sell oil outside. Okay, but now we can also look the economic challenges we they face as a country. Say okay, the way the money they generate before, say you know there as before again. And we not say yes, the oil sector get their own issue. So you notice maybe somehow indirectly say now like still that part of government policy to say or probably part of government idea to say okay make we look for a way to do it generate money for the nation.
And why they no kuku tell us say they want suffer or say they want take back hands take collect money
because they don't mention tax.
No, I know they follow argue. Okay. We therefore come out and tell us remove subsidy like kuku tell us say you want collect the money from poor man. Now it's where they go tell us come tell us straight. The two way you not fit collect through other means, you want take back hand, come collect them from poor people. Now it's where you go tell us I'm not gonna get problem with that. But don't lie they lie. Now the same lie and the lying continues. If you want come collect, say okay, money not reach you again. Now only two is tell us straight. Say my people, yeah, we know now I go pay, now I go suffer pay, now I go begin to take care of economy.
But then people never probably agree say okay fine.
No, I not disagree. I agree with you.
We understand say yes. The price they don't put on, and they just as you mentioned, Labour Chukudi has mentioned Labour they part of the whole.
I listen to the what do they call the president of Nigeria Labour Congress today, and I listen to the one from Lagos State. The Waba, Ayuba Waba. He spoke. They interviewed him from Brussels. He's coming for this meeting with the whole Labour tomorrow. He talk say now on Tuesday, I've been on Monday. They just called us so they say meeting day the next day.
Okay.
He not fear attend. So in Secretary General attend. So the Secretary General did here. They not get discussion. Now informate, they just give them. Just say, CEO, gentlemen, with the increases in blah, blah, blah. Now in the Labour people say, which kind of be all this one? How na go just do something like this? We not agree. Now so when I do am, they say, well, we don't tell now, we don't tell now. That's all. Now consultation be that.
Nah, but then in the same vein, as Labour with them be, we supposed to see like reaction. When I mean reaction.
No reaction. They go meet. One man no go take reaction. They go meet like any responsible organization. They don't give them long to say till 18 we could do something. But meanwhile, we go meet on Friday, which is tomorrow. When they meet, they go decide on the way forward on behalf of the masses.
On behalf
Not
of the
forget, say salary don't they 18,000 all these while.
That is if now for states where they pay, no, because I don't believe.
No, I never hear this one. The new name of some states. Nosa, Hafsa, you never hear about that?
No, never hear.
Nosa na no salary.
No salary.
Hafsa na half salary.
Hey.
So Nosa state day, Hafsa
State
state day.
day. True. Osun State, so I don't even know whether Osun no get name.
Na Nosa.
No. Even Nosa na say you don't even get. Osun name fit don't get Igbo name. Akachuku.
So many states don't begin to answer Benin names now. Nosa, Hafsa.
Oga Victor, make I bring am from this particular angle now. Now, make we see the problem. Make we see wetin they don't talk say this particular action go solve. Now, according to the detailed report wey me say the Honourable Minister for State for Petroleum been submit, he talk say the current fuel scarcity supply and the distribution, the way when the thing no dey now, the scarcity and say the thing no fit, they don't dey supply and where or distribute and where. He identify that one as major problem. He can also talk about say the inability of people when we say normally they do the independent marketers them to get forex and everything like that. Now if they try to talk say this particular action now, say the thing go allow for the increase and increase of the supply and also stability for the market. Some people don't come and argue say okay, with this 145 when they now. Because some people talk say over the past 6 months, people like say we don't even they prepare ourselves. Some people talk say they even buy 1 liter at the height of the whole this thing. Say they buy them at 200 now. They come talk say okay, if this one go allow say make the supply day.
Government know what they want to do since.
So this thing now plan on this.
Now plan. When he had to now want to suffer. When I go thank God when we make a 145. Now we did so. Now today.
So this will be like set up like
Set up.
So
they don't know what they want to do.
When you know go talk to maybe now issues maybe because before now maybe also marketers issues okay say some certain money where government supposed to do it give them make they take
If you the government you know say fuel if it make you popular or if it spoil your name you go compromise them. You go make sure say that area you cover them so that you go feel concentrate on other things. Not say they go they swear for you they cost you every day unless you get plan. They hear me so? You go do everything possible.
Victor, we get your namesake. One Victor they call us from Ikeja. Good morning, Victor.
Hello, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Victor, good morning.
Please, I'm watching you live now. You see, let me contribute to this issue.
Feel free.
My brother, see, I work in Alauta RRS.
Okay.
RRS office, Airport, Alauta, at Keg.
RRF.
Yes.
RRF.
Yes.
Okay.
You see, Mr. Vic, see, let's be realistic in this matter. We are not encouraging ourselves. I'm from Edo State, our West local government, exactly. If not from Lagos State that is even giving this salary scale. Other states, how many states is paying it? And now they are not telling us that the fuel should be from 18 naira, maybe for the 90 naira to 145 naira. How much is the salary? How much? There are some people that collect 10,000 naira the salary, 9,000 the salary. We do expect them now to pay transport. For example, now for just beggar here from away, they are paying 200, 250. They are paying 250. Now they are expecting people now to be collecting 10,000 and be paying 250 times 30. How much is that? How can you not put fuel in 145 naira?
He said times 60 you go come.
We are dying in this country. We are not happy. You see, if you get to a stage here, even we call us ourselves brothers, we start kidnapping ourselves.
Victor, we don't hear this your contribution. Thank you very much. We go talk say all this one about kidnapping. Make we not even bring them into the equation, but we note your contribution.
The way they drive people be there to be that.
Hello,
I'm hearing you. I'm with you.
Okay, Oga Igo.
Victor, thank you very, very much for your contribution. We get Oga Igo. Oga Igo, good morning.
Oga Shukudi, I greet you.
I greet you, Oga Igo.
Good morning, sir.
The guests in the studio, I greet him. And people like you, I want to see for the studio every morning.
Thank you, sir.
I don't know why Oga could be there for national television by now. I believe say by now, I used to go to the riot for Oshodi. I like do the job of 2010. Down to the issue of today. You see, the suffer with the suffer. The suffer not too much. With the complaint of suffer, they say subsidy. Me, I don't know anything like subsidy for Nigeria. What is the subsidy? All year, take the subsidize down. How? If for international market, they buy at 40, then you double them to 140 to 145 per liter. They say they buy them from the place they sell them. If they buy them, say they buy them 40 naira. So why the price will go to 145? I want to know. Because I say the same thing we Goodluck do, when they come outside sponsor crap to scatter everywhere, and the same thing they do now. All the promises they promise us 1 year now, even half they never do. See, this government it is finished. It is finished.
Oga Igo, thank you very much for this important contribution. We don't note the points when we say you drop. Oga Victor, quickly, make I do cut and join for this particular statement. Come put them to you. For the inside the statement, they don't say, we share the pains of Nigerians. We share the pains of Nigerians. They can also come and say, along with this decision, the FG has in the 2016 budget made an unprecedented social protection provision to cushion the current challenges. You go answer the question when I go ask, but we'll take Oga Okay. Oga Okay, they call us all the way from Calabar. Oga Okay, good morning and welcome to Ask Ide Hot.
Good morning, Mr. Chukode.
Good morning, Oga Okay.
Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Nkubi. Mr. Victor, good morning. Welcome to the studio.
Good morning, sir.
I beg, make a contribute more.
They hear you.
One good thing for me, I'd always believe in myself is that I'd always change from bad to good. Why you be saying we are changing from good to bad? Why this show? You know what tell me, say that time where oil price they high, you see they buy them at affordable price at a good price. Now oil price drop worldwide. Now in Nigeria and now they increase. Why this so? You know go rob Peter pay for, you know go use my money. Peter me say they give me money. Or if they do something for me, meanwhile now my money. No. That's what me I get, when me and you get, make we use them, build our country. Make we use them, make a better place in our country. Don't be say you come collect the small one. You know, it's not affecting them, you know that affect them. And that the masses, the poor man, the ordinary people like us, now it affects. Even if you raise the fuel price to 1,000 naira, they don't even know, even if they go buy any amount where they like, it's not affecting them. But now the ordinary man, the poor man, where they walk up for street, now they will affect. So, I think they should do something about it. So it's on high side, please. Thank you, and may God continue to bless Nigeria.
Amen. Oga Okay, thank you very much for your prayer. Oga Victor, now this question, 500 billion naira inside the 6.06 trillion naira budget. They don't talk, say this one go cushion the effect. I don't know, you think, say, we suppose cushion the effect first before they feel the effect? Why the effect will enter before them cushion am?
You see, you get different type of cushion there. If you don't care, I don't know why you don't sit down for pin for cushion before. You cushion where you sit down, pin there inside. My brother, this cushion where they talk, pin there inside. Secondly, I not trust this government. They lie from beginning. What if they don't talk where they don't bring to pass? I will trust them. You talk, say, cushion. When you go talk, say, you go do this for us, tomorrow you go change. You talk, say, you go do this, tomorrow I go take trust them. Where they won't get the 500 billion from? They talk, say, they go do 100% implementation of budget. 1 year don't pass through. When they do budget, where they say they don't approve now, never even begin saying.
Oga Victor, I beg, you go still need to pause because we'll get Chadi. Chadi, they call us from Warri. Good morning, Chadi. Chadi, good morning.
Okay, Chadi, there. Like Oga Chadi, no dey. I beg, if you go call us, just reduce the volume of your television so that we go hear everything when we say you dey talk. Quickly, we go rush enter inside this small break. When we go this break, come back, we'll continue our discussion as it get to do with the 85 naira, 86.5 naira for a litre. Now we don't turn 145 naira. We dey come back.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.